A conversation about food in beginner English.
So, what kind of food do you like?
I like everything. How about you?
Me too. I really love spicy food.
Do you like Mexican food?
Yes, I love it. How about you?
Yes, I really like tacos and nachos, but jalapenos are too spicy for me.
Oh, I see. I love them. I always add hot sauce on everything.
What is your favorite kind of food?
Difficult question. I'm crazy about Indian food. I love curry.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. You love what?
I'm crazy about Indian food. I love curry. And you?
Let me see. It's a difficult question. I really like sushi. Sushi is my favorite.
I like Japanese food too. I'm hungry. Let's order some burgers.